Back to another vlog. This is going to be day 3, even though it's a continuation of day 2. It's honestly October 2nd still. I have let my camera charge. I have edited part 1 of this, so this is part 2. I have my windshield on my camera, so hopefully the audio is a little better. But we're about to go outside and decorate the front yard while the kids play. It is, what time is it? Hey, shut the door! 4:10 in the afternoon. My house is a mess, but that'll be in tomorrow's vlog because I'm cleaning my house. So, hubby has a ladder, and let's go.
I want to put the cobwebs in.
You say hi?
Spider.
Hello to people who I don't know they're there.
Okay, Justin. Just say hello. Just say hello.
Is that?
Just say hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
But is
Don't
that?
open that yet. Everybody just relax. Everybody just relax. Relax.
Is it Halloween yet?
Still,
No, it's not. It's October the 2nd, so we have to prepare for Look, it's already spider webs on the... We don't need to put any more cobwebs on it because the spider webs on it already.
Real spiders.
Yeah. Why do you have mulch in your hair? Alright, it's a bag of critters. Y'all can put some on. That's what she's saying, right? Okay.
We're putting a lot of books on the bush. There could be scary.
Y'all need to put some on this side too. Put them all over. On the top and everywhere.
Okay?
Kenzie, you can come on this side if you want.
Okay. Why is that squishy?
Right here?
These spiders are so squishy.
Or over.
Let's put it on the snake.
The entire bag is here.
Back a little bit, like you're gonna do.
Okay, we went through the entire bag.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, everything's gone.
Let's see. Everything's actually gone. You ready to
Creepy crawling.
Got it. I thought that was the real one. But if you
Keeping this one there, that's mine.
Anyway, we're making progress.
Now it looks like he's coming.
Progress. We have the cobwebs on the bushes. We're about to put the cobweb up. We have the graveyard down there with the kids. They're really excited
What
about
Jaden
that.
sounds like when he's crying. Boo.
And I think I've been doing a sucky job at vlogging this part of the vlog, or this vlog in general. But we've made some progress. The kids have officially been kicked out of the decorating process. It is very, very stressful. If you're a parent of multiple kids, even a child, you know it's very stressful doing anything. So we have that up. I feel like we should get some more of that. The web. Are you gonna put web on the other side too, where the mummy is? Okay. Anyway, have the web up. We have our graveyard. I'm about to put these stakes up. Hi. Kind of got it so far. This hangs up, but we don't know where we want to hang it because I don't want you guys to see my thing. But we need something for the door. The spider web, I feel like we can do a little bit better on that. Let me just show you what I have, and then I can tell you what we're gonna do. So we have the little fence here. That's sound. We have the tombstones that's broken. I'm gonna get that box up. I feel like we're gonna do some web over here. We need something over here. We have the lights. It'll look way better in the dark. I think this is a good start. It's definitely a start. Now that we have, this is like, I'm gonna figure out how to get, because this is filtering my face so much. Like my face is not. Anyway, so stay tuned for another part of the decoration, buying, getting, whatever. I'm gonna come back out here at night tonight to show you guys like what it looks like. We definitely need some more lights. We need something for the door. We need something for the window. I'm thinking about a fog machine for later. And that was my updates. So yeah, we'll be back later on this evening. Once I clean up the stuff, we'll be back.
I want to see Bruh.
Oh, it's not that cool.
Yeah, that's cool. So, the lights are so scary. I know. Press that guy, Mama.
Boo. Clap your hands.